mark. Immediately, the chillers go to grab a ton of green cubes. The set grabbing some green cubes as well. Knocking off the red off the post with a ton of extra points. Looks like the chillers are getting ready to score some of those greens. And they drop 6 greens into the goal successfully. The chillers pick up some more cubes. The set letting up their goals and now switch drivers. As we get to 25 seconds left, you must now switch. It looks like the center are going to score some more greens into that goal. The chillers looking to get some greens into the far goal. As we get to 10 seconds left on the clock, we're going to see either of these teams try to make a park. The chillers moving over. It looks like they're going to successfully get the park. And the set. All right. For qualification match 47, we have 6226D, Upsetting Spaghetti.